Alright, what's going on YouTube? In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach your bagger on your John Deere lawnmower with a 42-inch deck. I guess it would be the same, pretty much the same if you had a bigger deck. You're just going to have this hose right here is going to be a little bit different. Alright, hooking this bagger up should be pretty easy. You should have two big plastic chutes, whatever you want to call these, two bags, and the piece that goes on the back of your mower. And you should have this big long pin and a little cotter key. So I have that pin out because you're going to use that. Now you're going to take that big piece that gets hooked onto your mower. There's two little slots here. There's two on this side too. But this mower goes on, well, if you're looking at the back of your mower, it goes on the right hand side. You just slide these two little pieces in your two little slots. Real simple. Pick it up. And these two pieces here are going to go in these two little holes. Not the big holes, little holes. Slide it in that hole and the hole over here. Just like that. Then you're going to take your big long pin and slide it right through them holes. How to keep this from coming off your lawnmower. And take your little cotter pin and put it in the hole. Put your little cotter pin in this little hole. Just like that. Real simple. Now you got the back piece hooked up. Somebody ought to clean mine. And you can take your bags. This here will be the bag that goes on the left. This little piece right here slides right down over that. And this one goes on the right side. Slides right over that. Very simple. Just like that. You put that down. Now most of you, if you have a brand new bagger, you're going to have a little rubber strap here. Mine broke off a long time ago and doesn't seem to bother it. So you should hook your strap on there. Now we're going to take this piece. It's got two rubber straps on it. I just bought a brand new one because my other one kind of got wore out. I like to take a little bungee cord, hook all this up, even the metal piece. Okay. This little track on your deck, make sure that is cleaned out. There's no grass buildup in there because this little lip is going to go in that track. Now, at least on mine, if you somehow if you would have maybe bent your wheel a little bit, make sure this wheel is not bent, because if it's bent, this little piece is not going to go in that hole probably correctly. But I am going to stick this piece into that hole like that, and then work that bottom piece down into that track, like I said. Just like that, real simple. And take this piece and hook it into that hole. Just like that. And then go on the other side. And I'm going to hook it in this hole right here. Not here, but down in this hole. I don't know, maybe if you could reach over there, but this is going to be plenty. Just like that. Now that'll keep it down inside that track. Now you take this last hose The part that has the strap is going to go over this. And this little cutout piece will go over this little knob sticking out. So just stick it inside the piece hooked to the back of your mower. And slide right over that. And take your rubber strap and hook it over that knob. All right, now it's all hooked up. I'm gonna go out and show you maybe about 30 seconds of how this thing works, how good this thing works. This bagger saves me a lot of time when it comes to raking up leaves. That's about all I ever use this bagger for, is get my leaves up. Unless you love raking leaves. And then you just open your back up, take the bag off, and dump it in the cornfield behind your house. Put it back on. Alright, thanks for watching my video. I hope this helped you out with installing your bagger on your John Deere lawnmower. Please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. It really helps YouTube promote my videos. Thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.